let me save you some time and money. Before you go buy another garlic press, hear me out. Here are the 5 things you actually need in your kitchen as a beginner. Hi, I'm Rose, and I used to think that cooking was too much, too expensive, too hard, too scary. But once I figured out what actually matters, everything changed. A few years ago, I had no idea what I was doing in the kitchen. Now, I meal prep every week, I cook most of my food, and I'm here to show you how to do the same. In this video, I will talk about 5 must-haves and 3 things you can skip in the kitchen as a complete beginner. First up, a sharp knife. Not a full set, just one knife. If you can slice a tomato without squishing it, you're good to go. Next, a cutting board. Get something that's sturdy and easy to clean, because you don't want to be struggling cleaning that thing. You can get whichever one you want, as long as it's not sliding all over the place. The next thing you need is a pan. A good non-stick pan is a great way to start. It will be your bestie when it comes to making eggs, pancakes, or anything really that likes to stick to your skillet. Then, once you get more comfortable, you can get a pot to explore more recipes. Next, a spatula and a cooking spoon. Okay, that was 2 things, but one is for flipping and the other one is for stirring or scooping. Silicone is heat proof and it won't scratch your pan. Wood feels fancy and kind of makes you feel like you're on a cooking show or something. Metal works too. That's what I have for now. Lastly, a big bowl. That's it. Mixing, marinating, tossing, it does it all. You'll see the same bowl in a lot of my videos. That's because you don't need a bunch of them to start. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about 3 things that you can skip when you're just getting started. Maybe these things are holding you back, so I hope this helps. First, a full cookware set. You don't need an entire 12-piece set to boil pasta. One good pan and a pot will get you through most recipes. Everything else just takes space in your kitchen. And the worst part is that you bought them, but you're not using them. You gotta spend that money on something else. Number 2, over-the-top measuring tools. I got mine from the dollar store. It does the job. You don't need some fancy spoon or some angled cup that promises you some precise measurement. You're just cooking. You're not doing lab work. Number 3, single-use kitchen gadget. I've heard it all. Egg slicer, avocado saver, banana hammock. How do you even say that? If it only does one thing, you don't need it. You might want it, but you don't need it to start. You don't need a Pinterest-looking kitchen to start learning how to cook. If one day you do get that fancy kitchen, then you'll know how to make the most of it. For now, let's just stick to the basics. In the next video, we'll make our first meal together. So subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when that video comes out. Bye for now.